Sorry, no voiceover from Matt this time. He is a bit under the weather. I'm a voiceover Matt has used in place. Hope you enjoy. This weapon is called Kyoketsu Shoge. I've always wanted to make one for my G.I. Joes. I found some references online. This weapon was often used by ninjas. Most notably, it was the main weapon of the ninja Nobu in the Netflix series Daredevil. He used it with great skill, almost winning the fight with Daredevil. I use a wooden ice cream spoon and some coffee stir sticks. I use super glue to laminate several pieces of coffee stir sticks together. After lots of sanding and shaping, it's starting to look cool. The straight blade turned out kind of thick. It looks more like a spear. I think it gives it an interesting look. I thought that this weapon could use a scabbard. I used some popsicle sticks to make one. After it was sanded and shaped, I used my black Sharpie to color it black. I used some black ribbon to make a belt loop. Then I made strap for her leg using Velcro. I also used Velcro to make a retaining strap. The cord can wrap around the handle and then placed into the scabbard. The retaining strap holds the cord and weapon in place. I used some black ribbon for the handle and some paper clip wire to hold the cord in place. The ring is from some jewelry making supplies I found at a yard sale. The blade was sometimes used as a grapple hook. The ninja could use it to rappel down from high places quietly. Like Nobu from Daredevil, the chain or cord was used to entangle the enemy's weapon. If the ring is used to entangle, then the ninja can use the blade to go in for the attack. I also gave her a ninja sword. This is one of my first ninja swords with the hidden blade. She also has a small backpack. This is actually a hip bag from some other set, but it's a perfect small backpack for her. I plan on giving her a crossbow as a ranged weapon. I've changed my mind on this crossbow. I have a smaller one I'm going to use. This was a fun build. I hope you enjoyed it. I have a few other ninjas for this team. The videos on them are coming soon. If you liked this video, click the like button. Share this video with your friends. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.